Hey everybody, I wanted to share a video with you of a project that I just finished up over at my daughter and son-in-law's house, Hayden and Jacob in Dallas. They've got a small sitting area that they wanted to do a little makeover on. They wanted to install an electric fireplace with Venetian plaster finish. So we gave it a shot, ended up adding a few things. We took down a ceiling fan, installed some can lights in the ceiling, put in a couple wall sconces on either side of the fireplace, everything controlled by dimmers, repainted the room, hung some drapes. The final product looks pretty good. Check out the video. Let me know what you think.